Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to message an eBay seller. Let's say this is the product that interested you. I'll go open this up in a new tab, and then right here you'll see an option to contact the seller. Now, if you just create an account, you'll have to complete your account information, right? You enter in your country, your address, and your phone number as well. And then you can continue. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, I'll just go ahead and click on continue right here. There you go. Enter your phone number and then just come and click on continue, okay? Okay, so now it's initializing this information. I'll just go ahead and close this. And there we go. So we are redirected on this page. Now, if you want, you can come back here and contact the seller. Here, you can send a message. So you can say, hey, I had a few questions. You can ask questions right here. You can also send a copy to your email. Just need to click on send a message, and then depends whether or not the seller has actually chosen to receive message or not. Some sellers have this feature disabled, so you need to find another seller, maybe find the same item, right? There you go. This is an example for this Nintendo Switch handheld console. I did manage to send a message to this seller, right? And now you just have to wait for them to respond. Okay? It's really that easy and simple.